Turning woodworking from hobby to business. Woodworking is an art, craft, depending on how you look at it, that can see you earn quite substantial amounts. There are people who love woodworking, but just do it as a hobby. The good news is that if you have interest in the subject, then transforming it from a hobby to business is quite easy, and this article is just going to show you how. Have tools that you will use for your woodworking. The kind of tools that you will need for your projects will depend on the vastness of your business. If you want to start small, then having simple hand tools will prove to be adequate. You need to buy high-quality tools like a hand drill, a timber saw, measurement tools and more. On the other hand, if you want to have large-scale production, then you will need heavy machinery like a power saw and more. Make sure that the space that you plan to use is adequate. You need to have clearly marked out your niche. Woodworking is a broad subject that can see you produce anything from a simple birdhouse all the way to production of office and home furniture. You need to copyright your products to avoid cases where people can steal your ideas for their own benefit. Make sure you advertise. Know that you are no longer doing your woodworking for the fun of it. There are many ways that you can advertise your products. You can use the internet. Using the internet will need you to put up a website. You can have a variety of sample pictures on the website. You also need to know all the ways of putting up a good website if you want to get enough traffic. You need to use the internet to not only advertise, but also to sell. With the website you will be able to tap into potential market that cuts across country boundaries. Still on the above, you can also make use of word of mouth. Inform your friends and neighbors of your business. This is a very inexpensive way of getting your word out there. Use the internet to get new ideas for your woodworking. There are many plans that are available on the internet, of which some are free. You need to use the plans that are available here to improve on your skills. You can always get to learn new ideas using the available plans.